Hey guys, here's a fast video on how to submit homework 8 and homework 9. Sorry that you guys were having issues with submitting these homeworks. It was a bit of a learning curve on our side to figure out what the grading interface does and does not allow. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So let's pretend like we're going to do homework 8. So first things first, as always, you just download homework 8, and then we'll put this download into some folder on our computer. You can see my last failed take on this video. Delete that. All right, so let's just put the homework here. And as always, you uncompress it, and you can see the homework folder is right there. Now, what you probably are used to doing is you work on the homework file. So I'm not going to actually do it right now, but you work on homework 8 as you always would by opening Jupyter and going through and doing it. Let's just pretend like I did that. Okay, so what you usually do is you just submit the homework file. But what's causing the error on the grading side is that it doesn't have these data files. So instead, what we're going to do is we use Shift to highlight the data and this other file here. And then we right-click and we do compress these items. The commands might be a little different on Windows, but I think you guys get the idea that you just want to compress the data folder, the comstat.py and the homework8.ipynb file. And then it's as easy as just submitting this file right here. So let's just do that. So then we go to upload. Sure you want to submit something? Yes. And then we have that that zip file right there. And we just submit that. Now, obviously, when we submit this will get 0 points, but that's because, remember, I have not worked on the homework at all. I just took the blank one from here and I'm just zipping it again. But if you actually work on the file and submit it and you did everything correctly, you'll get full points. So this will take a while to run, but in the meantime I'll explain a common mistake that I'm sure, if I don't say this, like a lot of people will make. So you saw that I pressed Shift for these guys and then I compressed those files/folders together. What you cannot do is this folder that has all the contents, do not compress this. If you try to submit this, it won't work. You'll still get all zeros and errors and everything. So make sure to highlight these 3 things and to compress those. Let's go back to this. And yeah, of course I get execution failures, but you'll, yes, right here, we'll see that at least the mistakes I made were because I didn't do the assignment, not because of the data files not being loaded in. So as we can see here, it failed to do these assertions correctly, but it got past the step where it loads in the data. So yeah, that's how you submit the homework. Oh, and I guess a real fast thing for homework 9. So there are some Jupyter widgets at the beginning of that notebook, and basically that just creates these kind of interactive graphs that you can use to get a better understanding of how the data looks. It's not necessary that you see them, it just gives you a better understanding of what's going on. And if you don't have the latest version of Jupyter, you're not going to be able to actually view the Jupyter widgets. So if you get some errors at the beginning, setup stage, not on the actual exercises, that's what's going on. And it's not something you really have to worry about. If you really want to, you could update Jupyter to get the graphs. All right, I hope this helps you guys out. All right, bye.